Okay, so this is the fourth part of fourth lecture. The only difference is before it was two tail, like in null and alternate hypothesis we have equal and not equal sign, but now in null and alternate hypothesis we have greater than and less than sign. If less than, then h1 is greater than. We decide our null and alternate hypothesis on the basis of h1 alternate hypothesis, and alternate hypothesis is what we are going to test. In the statement you will see what you are going to test. That would be your h1, and h naught, so called h0, will be opposite to your h1. So if your h1 is in less than form, then your decision will be reject h naught if your t statistics is less than t critical, and if you have right tail, if your h1 is mu greater than 3, if it is on the right side, then your decision will be reject h naught if your t stats is greater than t critical. So that would be your decision on the basis of left tail or right tail. And because it is one tail, so we will not divide alpha by 2, so we will keep alpha. We solve one example. As I said, everything is exactly same, nothing changed, just because just the change is only here, one tail or left tail or right tail. A phone industry manager thinks that the customer monthly cell phone bill have increased, and now the average is over 52 per month. The company wishes to test his claim. You are going to test the company's claim, and company's claim is that the phone bill has increased. So h1 is mu greater than 52, mu greater than 52. That is what we are going to test. That is why mu greater than 52. So alternate hypothesis would be, so the h naught will be the opposite to h1, which is mu less than 52. So alpha 0.1, we see t statistics 0.1, degree of freedom is 24. So we see what is t statistics in the table. You will see it would be 1.18. So t critical is 1.318. Now we calculate t statistics by using the formula. This is the formula. We substitute the values, we get t stats equals to 0.55. So as I said earlier, reject h naught if t stats is greater than t critical, if it is right tail, and it is right tail. So 0.55 is greater than 1.3, which is not, so 0.1, so which is not, so we will say that it is falling in do not reject area. Like 0.55 is less than 1.13, so do not reject. Similarly, you can calculate the p-value like we did before. If you want, you can do it. Everything is same, but in that case you will not add, you will not divide it by 2, you will keep only alpha. If you want to calculate it, you can do it, otherwise you can skip p-value for one tail. You can skip it, and if you want to calculate it, it is exactly the same. As I said, if you can understand, you don't need to divide it by 2, you will just keep it as it is.